Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set photo sizes like 2R, 3R, 4R, and 5R in Microsoft Word step by step. If you want to print passport photos or small photo prints using Word, this guide will make it very easy for you. Let's get started. First, what do 2R, 3R, 4R, and 5R mean? These are standard photo print sizes. 2R equals 2.5 times 3.5 inches, 3R equals 3.5 times 5 inches, 4R equals 4 times 6 inches, 5R equals 5 times 7 inches. Now let's set them correctly in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Open a new blank document. Step 2. Set page layout. Optional but recommended. Go to the Layout tab. Click Size and choose your paper size, usually A4 or letter. You can also click Margins and choose Narrow to get more printing space. Step 3. Insert your photo. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, select This Device, and choose your image. Once the image appears in the document, click on it. Step 4. Change text wrapping. Click the small Layout Options icon next to the image. Select In Front of Text. This allows you to freely resize the image. Step 5. Set exact photo size. Now click on the image. Go to the Picture Format tab. On the right side, find the Size section. Make sure the Lock Aspect Ratio option is checked to avoid distortion. Now enter the correct width and height depending on the size you want. For 2R, width is 3.5 inches, height is 2.5 inches. For 3R, width is 5 inches, height is 3.5 inches. For 4R, width is 6 inches, height is 4 inches. For 5R, width is 7 inches, height is 5 inches. If your image is portrait orientation, you can swap width and height accordingly. Step 6. Duplicate photos on one page. Optional. If you want multiple copies on one sheet, select the image. Press Ctrl-C to copy, press Ctrl-V to paste multiple times. Arrange them neatly on the page. Step 7. Print the photos. Go to File and click Print. Check the preview to confirm the size looks correct. Then print using high-quality photo paper for best results. And that's it. That's how you set 2R, 3R, 4R, and 5R photo sizes in Microsoft Word step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.